Hello everyone, welcome to the Svanoe English Vocabulary School. It's Wednesday, January 1st, show number 001. Here are the two words for today. The first one is a day before today, and the second one means to use a pen. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Yesterday was Jennifer's birthday. Yesterday was Jennifer's birthday. Yesterday. It means the day before today. Was yesterday your birthday? Now let's make a flashcard for yesterday. Please write yesterday up here in the top left corner. Down here in the bottom left corner, the Svanoe code, N1. This means noun, level 1. Also, ADV2. This word is also an adverb in level 2. And down here the number in the bottom right corner, 200 out of 200. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Here it is. Remember, the J sounds like a Y in the IPA. Yes. Day. Yesterday. Now let's learn number 2 for today. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob writes his name every day. Bob writes his name every day. Writes. He uses a pen and paper. Did you write your name before? Now let's make a flashcard for to write and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. To write something. But this is an irregular verb, so you must learn the past tenses wrote and written. Please write those on your card. Down here in this corner, the category IV1. This means irregular verb, level 1. And over in this corner, the number 40 out of 40. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Here it is. The red part sounds like I. Right. Right. You are right. Class over. Thank you for watching. Today we learned yesterday. Very good. Yesterday was Bob's birthday, for example. And number 2, to write something with a pen. Write, wrote, written. Very good. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. The first one is something that a telephone company has. Number 2 is a person that likes to work out. And number 3 means to change one language to another. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. And if you are a new student, welcome to our vocabulary school. We learn 2 words every day and we write them on paper flashcards. This is a 2-year course. 2 words every day. You can do it. Here's our schedule for January, and then we take a break and begin again on February 1st. You need a notebook, a pen, and flashcards. That's it, nothing else. We have a rotating schedule, so you can join anytime. Why not today? And after you make the card, please write your language on the other side of the card, and remember it forever. You can meet a partner and practice the words that you learn. Please learn these. My name is Vinny from Canada. See you tomorrow.